हम आ गए. Welcome to Rajasthan.
To the world, it's just a beautiful wall. But Hawa Mahal is so much more than stone and symmetry. So join me as I uncover 5 bizarre, brilliant, and mind blowing facts about this timeless pink monument. The Hawa Mahal is a 5 story building and it is the tallest building in the world that has been built without a foundation. Yes, you heard it right. It has a curved architecture that leans at an 87 degrees angle and a pyramidal shape which has helped it stay erect for centuries. क्या आप जानते हो हवा महल को बनाने का असली रीजन क्या था? उस जमाने में रॉयल लेडीज को बाहर जाना अलाउड नहीं था, तो इसीलिए दे मेड 953 झरोखा सो दैट द लेडीज कुड ऑब्जर्व द सिटीज फेस्टिवल्स एंड प्रोसेशंस विदाउट बीइंग सीन. There are no stairs in this palace. Instead, there are only ramps built to reach the top floors. The reason is that carrying palanquins of Rajput royal ladies on ramps was quite easier than steps. Did you know that the Hawa Mahal was devoted to Lord Krishna? The Hawa Mahal was built in 1799 by Maharaja Savai Pratap Singh as a continuation of the city palace and was designed by Lal Chand Ustad. Savai Pratap Singh was considered a great devotee of Lord Krishna. तो इसीलिए जब आप हवा महल को बाहर से देखोगे तो आपको ये कृष्णा के क्राउन की तरह दिखे. हवा महल is also one of the most Instagrammable spots in India. अब जब इंस्टाग्राम के बाद छेड़ ही दिया है, let me take you to one of the 2 famous cafes that's right opposite the Hawa Mahal. Tourists visit Windview Cafe or Tattoo Cafe mostly to take nice photos rather than to eat. But I can assure you that the food they serve here is just as good as the view. You simply need to pay an entry fee of rupees 200 per person at the cafe, which will be deducted from the total cost of your meal. Now that you've seen Hawa Mahal through new eyes, tell us in the comments which fact completely blew your mind. And don't forget to hit subscribe for more stories that go beyond sightseeing.